The water resources in Arizona are really a demand. We do reuse our water, and it is very important that we produce excellent quality water for the community and for where we live. The effluent, after it's been treated here, gets sent out to Green Valley Lake, and from there it gets distributed to Chaparral Pines, the Rim, Payson Golf Course, the high school, Woodland Meadows, Payson Cemetery.
Well, we treat the wastewater from almost the entire community, and if our treatment process is not working correctly, we are putting the community at risk. The Enaqua UV disinfection system is the final stage in our treatment process, and that is what kills all of the bugs or the bad bugs in the treated water. If it's not working correctly, we are polluting the environment.
We check it every day for E. coli, which is really nice about Enaqua. The quality of the water coming out through the stable E. coli being at zero is a big benefit on a constant level.
Yes, we have been in compliance with our permits for years with no violations, and we want to keep it that way.
And so when we checked and we looked into Enaqua, I call on I asked for like 20 references all over the country. After about 10 of them, after grilling, they really stood out, and it was hands down to the general manager and the engineer that this was the unit to purchase, and so we did. The maintenance on it is very low to where, we can just run it and not worry about it. We've got working at a wastewater treatment plant, there's other things that we can be doing, that we're doing instead of working on, other equipment.
The Enaqua system, that's the one system that I do not worry about in our operation. It just runs and does its job.
So the plant has developed into what it is today, and we're really proud of what it's become. It's helped the community, and it's really a good place and a good thing for Payson to have. And I'm just one person out of many, wastewater people here that, have done this. So I'm just, a person part of what goes on here at the treatment plant. And I can say I'm really happy and proud to be working here.